Hello?
Hey,
Hey, babe.
did I wake you?
No, I'm just at the hotel. We're about to have some breakfast.
Listen, I get why you're doing this. It's just the lying that kills me. I need you to know that you can tell me anything, David. David?
Yeah, I gotta call you right back.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. Okay, I love you. Bye. Hey! What? Look! Go! My name is David Packouz. I'm 22 years old, and I'm an international arms dealer. 6 months ago, I was a massage therapist in Miami Beach.
Sorry, it fell.
And now, here I was with my best friend from junior high.
I think you should come work for me.
I'm against this war.
This isn't about being pro-war. This is about being pro-money.
How did two 20-something young men land a $300 million Pentagon contract?
You told me you guys were selling bed sheets.
I also told you that we were selling other stuff, too.
I thought you meant pillows.
God bless Dick Cheney's America!
$100 million rounds of AK-47 ammo.
You can fill the whole order.
I'm barred from doing any business with the U.S. government. I'm on a watch list.
You're on a terrorist watch list?
Do you work for Homeland Security? Relax, bro. This is the job, to do business with the people the U.S. government can't do business with directly.
Ain't no church in the wild.
We're on the verge of making $300 million. Is that legal? It's not illegal.
I'm not a bad man, but in certain situations, I have to ask myself, what would a bad man do?
Is this safe, driving to Baghdad?
Very safe. 50-50.
What, like 50% we live, 50% we die?
Yes, this is why we drive through the night. It is much safer.
How much safer?
50-50.
Bro, what the?
Frankly, we were a tad concerned with your performance history against a deal of this size.
But after meeting you two face to face, we feel like we're in good hands on this one.
We won't let you down, sirs.
Not to mention your bid was far too attractive for us to pass up.
What did you mean by that exactly?
He means you boys lowballed the entire industry.
By how much?
You guys came in $53 million lower than the nearest competition.
Oh, okay.
Now to a question that still has no clear answer. How did two 20-something young men land a $300 million Pentagon contract?
I have a big idea.
They call guys like us war dogs, bottom feeders who make money off of war without ever stepping foot on the battlefield.
Show you about my culture.
It was meant to be derogatory, but we kind of liked it.
We don't play fair.
Sorry, kind of an emergency.
Sorry. Don't worry, I have to go first. I'm American.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
You seriously want to drive to Baghdad?
David, we're gun runners. Let's go run some guns.
Give me some of that. 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 Give me some of that.
You're getting closer. Come on, man, go!
Let me go!
You drove these through the triangle of death.
The triangle of death, bro?
We drive through all triangles, including your mom's.